Hello lovely people, how are you all? Welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's class, this is the fourth class for the beginners, and in today's class we are going to learn what is the importance of lines. We have already practiced lines, circles, curves, and waves and all, right? So in today's class we learn why should we practice lines. What is the importance of lines? Lines are basically used to draw any shapes, and why shapes are used to form any object. We need shapes. Lines ఎందుకు ఉపయోగం? Lines ఏదైనా షేప్ డ్రా చేయాలి అని అంటే మనకి లైన్స్ కావాలి, రైట్? సో ఫర్ దాట్, టు మేక్ అవర్ హ్యాండ్ ఫ్రీ, we are practicing lines. Now for example, we need to practice a square. How do we draw the square? Like when I didn't know drawing, and if at all anyone asked me to draw a square, I used to just draw this way. And if at all anyone asked me to practice draw a triangle, I used to draw this, and rectangle this way. Generally we do this, right? So but actually here you may not find the exact correct length of the shape, like all sides of, see this and this, it looks almost the same. Rectangle, it's not a square. Square is where all sides are equal. So how to draw a square? Basically, if at all you have a square, you can take the measurements for the very first time and draw. If not, you can just keep 4 dots and draw the lines, join the lines and make a perfect square. In the same way for rectangle, you can just draw 2 slanting lines and make a triangle. This is a triangle. And now for rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, so just draw opposite sides equal and then join the other 2 sides. Okay, so this way you can make the difference between this and this. Now to practice more, ఇంకా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి స్క్వేర్స్ అంటే ఎలాగా, పేపర్ మొత్తం అయితే నింపలేం కదా, వీ కాంట్ ఫిల్ ద టోటల్ పేపర్. యా, ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ వీ క్యాన్ ఫిల్, బట్ టు మేక్ ఈవెన్ మోర్ ప్రాక్టీస్, ఎలా ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి, డ్రా another square in this, maintaining equal distances on all the sides. Okay, like this. One more square this way, another square, one more, and the small one. Okay, and for triangles, 2 slanting lines and then a sleeping line. 2 slanting lines, sleeping line. This makes a triangle. And for rectangle, first draw the opposite sides. This is a rectangle, right? And then one more, join the other 2 sides. This way and like this. Right? You like this, you can make a number of shapes. You can just draw a rhombus, hexagon, pentagon, etc, etc, etc. It all depends on your practice. However you want, you can practice. Practice makes you more perfect. So take as many as rough newspapers and keep on practicing all these shapes, including the lines, circles and ovals. Okay, and now where are these shapes used? Why are we practicing these shapes? These shapes, generally if at all we want to draw a house, how do we draw it? Like say one village hut, we'll just draw first a triangle. Here the triangle is used, and then we draw a square. This becomes a small normal hut, and we can just draw a rectangle, and this becomes a house, and give one more rectangle over here, one more circle, and here you can give a square which represents the windows, right? So here it is used. The same thing for just as a hut we have used here, right? And now, so for this basic thing also we need lines, right? Even for shading. Okay, this all shading and all we come later. We can just become perfect later with using all this. We can't stop once we have started this. Okay, fine. Now, another simple example, if at all we want to draw a book, how do we draw this? Give two sleeping lines, join with slight slanting line, give standing lines, another standing line, join these two, and you have got a book, right? Here also lines are used. So like this you have many things to draw. So keep on practicing different shapes and keep on practicing the shapes one inside one, so that you can practice even more in one paper. Okay, happy drawing, keep practicing. We'll see what is the importance of circles, ovals in the next class. So I think this is helpful for you all. If at all you like it, please like it, subscribe it, and please share this video so that if at all anyone is really in need of drawing can learn this and can gain the knowledge from my channel. I'm here to share my knowledge, whatever I have. Keep drawing. Happy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.